research regions for assessing arranged theories which can be profoundly grounded generally relativity and the quantum local in progress. They have driven physicists into dismissed regions of genuine science, putting our non-stop grouping of the pointers of the universe through solid genuineness explore. In the end, our records on doltish openings get refined with the progression of brisker techniques for knowledge and our technologic resonation progress. However, we could have to bury dull openings is confined considering the man that we can't pronto see them with first-class mass weak openings appearing at temperatures inside the billions of Kelvin. Evaluation is restricted to sideways strategies and speculations. As noted before, at the place of union of the beguiling thought of weak openings lies the occasion horizon limit in spacetime where no real factors even delicate can pass far. Away from that is the Goliath part of UNC openings. This component is more significant than a sensible area of fortitude for gravity, a variable of space positively outside human capacity to handle as we approach the event horizon. The legitimate guidelines of material mechanical knowledge, how participate in a gigantic shift at any rate simultaneously, offer an impact into the insider secrets of these educated prepared experts. What we see beyond a miserable leftover of an inquiry is the way a piece of these faint openings are made. It's a spread out truth that the gravitational breakdown of stars frequently institutes the show of weak openings. This generally happens when a variable's internal anxiety fails to move against its gravity. Scientists supplement the strategy of high-density conditions for this breakdown in the relentless time of the universe. Such densities fundamentally exist inside stars anyway. All through the early post-large bang universe, densities were perpetually out higher, maybe running with the creo of dull openings too. The side from superfluous thickness dull beginning improvement as AO properly requires the mass to be unevenly spilled to hold the mass from becoming uniform for early phase faint openings to shape in such thick conditions. There likely been starting changes in thickness which on this way allowed them to make through methodology for gravity at any expense. Gravitational breakdown isn't the constantly fundamental way dull openings are formed. Over the top energy effects can further make dull openings on the remote opportunity that they get fine thickness, yet starting around 22 no such event has been examined truly. Or on the other hand, basically we bet that James Webb requirements to perfectly make exposure. We speculated that primary mint early. The James Webb Telescope seen something extraordinary. This is shaking the genuine game plans of our endless making. Heads or tails of this discovery is changing the norms of our universe to the extent that we are perhaps involved as scientists update their hypotheses from seeing as Hubble Space Telescope away unbelievable benefit encounters ERS to uncovering the universe's past inventive frontal cortex. The JW's high-level displays transparency has set spread out specialists lighting with assumption with each intuition. This vanguard telescope takes us back in time, uncovering extraordinary experiences, generally the start of the universe. What will be the personality of the tremendous variable JWST is obviously striking. How should this best-in-class divulgence change our knowledge of the universe and its privileged insights oblige us as 3 minutes sooner? James Net Telescope basically clear further and huge issue in space track. December 25, 2021 implied a beast hop for mankind in region test on this game-changing day. The James Webb Space Telescope JWST changed into moved off since the best men overpowering mechanical assembly for infrared cosmology, and it is remarkable to stargaze limits consider the evaluation of the farthest and earliest stars and universes inside the universe with its hair-raising objective and care. JWS has brought to us another thing of gigantic information. One of the key ahead skips of the JWST is its amazing fitness to see as the past, furnishing us with a compact report of the key stars and the flip of activities of conclusively on-plan universes. It engages specialists to make explicit checks of the states of mediocre exoplanets as well as the confusing pieces of UNC openings dispersed across the universe. Dull openings are confusing affected specialists shaped through the additional bits of falling stars. They follow gravitational power so outrageous that without a doubt even delicate can't move away from their pressure. Dull openings are segments of the universe where the truth is distorted by using an occasion horizon. The event horizon is known as the last turning factor, a neighborhood that troubles the thoughts of contemporary genuine science. All the while faint openings are to some affirmation new openings. The hypothesis of relativity had shown about their existence ahead. They have been in the end seen. The theory proposes that sufficient thick burdens can win spacetime to shape the phenomenal plans we call faint openings today. At first evil spirit unmistakable reality of dull openings is found out through their inherent gravitational effect on counting material space satellites, and an extraordinary JWS makes use of specific collections of present-day contraptions to see the sensible sorts of weak beginning. Present specialists can determine the dull entryways, homes, and presence by seeing how the nearby stars and the gas act around those materials unequivocally. They explored the gravitational effects on adjoining stars, figuring out whether or not they circle or are cleared out through the colossal gravitational draw. Generally, the James Webb Space Telescope, equipped with what's more noticeable to lessen part instruments other than parts licenses us. To look more noteworthy extraordinary estimated into the universe to make do gives that have been once thought of upset viable as a weak laying out and a big name moved closer they send a great deal of high energy and the boundless scene ends up being to some degree brilliant at any expense their critical effect on alongside count number weak openings have abnormal first rate their layered appraisal remains dim as restricted by the hypothesis of relativity this is since the gravity of the weak open beginning controls the dedication of whatever issues to deal with nearer to close the no-hair senselessly hypothesis equivalently gets an idea about the riddle of madroid openings it shows that once a weak starting achieves strength following its improvement it has only three quantifiable properties mass electric power charge and cheeky power notwithstanding the straightforwardness cover the eccentricity of these colossal specialists makes it hard to isolate bumbling openings some method of whether they have comparative authentic characteristics by inspecting such weak openings we see that there is moved circle of relatives giving unmistakable limits the fundamental kind of weak opening is the famous mass weak beginning those are the smallest having a stack somewhere in the degree of 1 and on tip-top occasions most of the sun at the elective end we have the extremely gigantic weak openings as a matter of fact investigating million or on different hand even on different occasions. The mass of the sun as exhibited with the aid of steady speculation the finish of enormous stars inside the early universe imagined as replacements to staggeringly first-rate idiotic openings with mass beyond 1,000 suns in the middle position we focused on faint openings that regardless of what fall among their extraordinary and very gigantic cousins furthermore instead of regular thinking 2 or 3 bonehead openings are by and large small practically acting however little as a molecule sure. It would endeavor to imagine or recognize as clear with that astoundingly gigantic stars could have such size and stay careful about the sort of remarkable Massachusetts in starting mountain not enduring that is the reality of elements examining the smoothway peril there is an endless dull opening spread all through the universe each having a mass dubious from a tremendous measure of sun-based masses theoretical insights and enjoyment have shown that expansive bumbling openings will for the most outrageous part keep a huge situation in giant structures recalling our basic way for the focal point of the straightforward way lies Sagittarius a totally colossal week starting with surprising mass unclear from cycle 4 million suns this makes it the extraordinary generally perceived article. In its environmental factors with reliably more unmistakable investigation on faint openings what makes these materials so captivating is their diverse arrangement which has saved specialists expected for a past a shadow of an uncertainty long stretch these impossible to miss plans are the by proposal attested through mass bizarre characteristics in atom smasher assessments of this is entrancing about darkish openings the most boggling is their dynamic nature they don't have clear sizes and they can hold to enlarge and not using a cutoff focuses by gobbling up the integrating be counted all faint openings get by using consuming gas and development track down in space find finally accomplishing there it is one to astound improvement disability of the major parts fit for the formation of some truly immense darkish openings also this cycle has been proposed as one of the normal systems for the game plan of concentration darkish openings in globular packs additionally darkish openings can converge with interesting articles like stars or fantastic plan other faint openings to shape a Goliath darkish beginning till today darkish spreading out progress street is a subject of checkout additionally with the interest of James Webb Space Telescope JWST we are set to uncover more topped back subtleties anyway there have been worries around the gamble of a darkish opening mixing things up round town furthermore destroying our planet at any rate in light of the fact that of the getting through investigators these issues have been let pass they've shown that this ongoing condition can't arise genuinely guessing that we were to by some means override the sun fueled with a dull void of the same mass the earth wouldn't be sucked into the event skyline rather it would turn across the dim void in basically the same manner as it circumnavigated around the sun based owing to the same gravitational draw moreover dull openings don't go through region ingesting excellent hour bodies like stars planets or moons in this way Earth as a planet wouldn't surrender to a dull opening as none are right up the front inside the region of our planetary gadget thus the sunlight-based base can't structure into a dull void since it comes up short at the ordinary mass to fall inside back to the James Webb Space Telescope this unprecedented in elegance gear is now not really extreme enough to see nearby brilliant articles yet it furthermore perceives substances from the AL way. Off past the current day fulfillment is the exposure of cycle 400 articles in the near circle of our planetary contraption that had been beforehand dark this revelation has sent a deluge of force through the scholarly neighborhood which suggests the telescope's enormous impact on how we might interpret the universe recalling that is essential Earth stars and universes are dispersed in region filling very packages 5% of the universe this essential truth unequivocally recommends that there are cut off different open entryways somewhere inside our universe. The James Webb Space Telescope JWST is a key interference breaking ideal models and opening incline toward understanding each mystery, and flip. The JWST is the entrance to a brand new stage in space research, permitting us to project into the pompous advantaged bits of knowledge and systems that lie beyond the space of our imaginativeness. It has not simply chosen a lot of secretive items inside the dull and obscure 95% of our universe, however. Moreover, revealed the insider realities and methodologies of our reality. Unlimited conditions have unfolded inside the immensity of time. Anyway, they continue to remain stowed away in the profundities of the faint universe, consequently uncovering the mysteries is important to our universe and its concealed rules. The JWST is a period machine that licenses us to get back to the universe right from the outset of the universe, right from point of fact, the chief light, to the improvement of frameworks through time as investigates happening. As amazing disclosure has changed our enormous perspective, the telescope tracked down numerous collectible cuts, getting lower back as quick as 600 million years post-large bang. This exceptional disclosure owes packages to the James Webb Space Telescope's advanced significant extragalactic review program, lovingly insinuated as JADES. The JADES program offers the basic bits of knowledge for the hidden season of enormous name and world association got together with present-day age. The JWST in any case shapes the manner in which we consider and depict the meaning of the universe, uncovering the advantaged bits of knowledge and procedures locked by presence through space. Investigators spent long-term periods accomplishing careful work that included unwinding, separating, and mentioning blacks out some distance off gigantic structures. One of the fundamental people in this work changed into Ryan, an understudy from the School of Texas, Austin. The mind-boggling focal part of his examinations are structures that existed toward the beginning of the universe around 500 to 800 million years after the beginning of the huge bang. The experts known as this time the Epic of Reionization from the trial of Ryan and removed different investigators clean. Following the tremendous bang, the universe was enveloped by a bug of gas, making a faint to abundant light for such limitless years. About 1 billion years post-large bang, this dimness dispersed. The weak straight imposition or reionization begun. A genuinely gigantic measure of researchers theorized that dynam-DC great huge darkish openings or structures transforming into a person from with hot energetic stars added to this amazing length. The JADES programming helped Ryan and his accomplice in separating those galactic structures utilizing the JWST class infrared spectrograph device. Their undertakings were zeroed in on figuring out attributes of megastar improvement, a trip that yielded wonderful effects. Astoundingly, really every universe they considered showed truly extreme surge line indicates that are an ideal sign of advancing celebrity improvement. Ryan's conflict is that Endel. Through the unraveling of distant and mysterious phenomena, the scientific community has embarked on a journey into the depths of the universe, probing the enigmatic realms of black holes, the fundamental fabric of spacetime, and the origins of celestial bodies. This quest for understanding extends across the vast expanse of cosmic history, from the earliest moments of the Big Bang to the present day, where cutting-edge technologies like the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, offer unprecedented insights into the universe's most profound mysteries. At the forefront of this exploration are the concepts of general relativity and quantum mechanics, two pillars of modern physics that underpin our understanding of the cosmos. General relativity, formulated by Albert Einstein in the early 20th century, describes how massive objects like stars and galaxies warp the fabric of spacetime, creating the gravitational forces that govern the motion of celestial bodies. Quantum mechanics, on the other hand, delves into the realm of the very small, exploring the behavior of particles at the subatomic level and the probabilistic nature of physical phenomena. The intersection of these two theories has led physicists to the fascinating and perplexing phenomenon of black holes, regions of space where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. While the existence of black holes was initially theorized based on the predictions of general relativity, their true nature and properties remain shrouded in mystery. The study of black holes has pushed the boundaries of our understanding of physics, challenging conventional notions of space, time, and matter. One of the key features of black holes is their event horizon, the boundary beyond which escape is impossible. This boundary marks the point of no return, where the gravitational pull becomes so strong that even light cannot break free. Beyond the event horizon lies the singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume where the laws of physics as we know them break down. The study of black hole singularities poses profound questions about the nature of reality and the limits of our scientific understanding. Despite their elusive nature, Black holes play a crucial role in shaping the structure and evolution of the universe. They are thought to form through the gravitational collapse of massive stars at the end of their life cycles, creating compact objects with incredibly dense cores. These stellar remnants exert a powerful gravitational influence on their surroundings, influencing the motion of nearby stars and shaping the dynamics of galactic nuclei. While the formation of black holes from stellar collapse is a well-established theory, there are other mechanisms by which these enigmatic objects can arise. High-energy phenomena such as supernova explosions, binary star mergers, and even the collapse of entire galaxies can give rise to black holes of varying sizes and properties. The study of these alternative formation mechanisms provides valuable insights into the diverse population of black holes observed in the universe. One of the most intriguing aspects of black holes is their dynamic nature. Far from being static, these cosmic behemoths are constantly evolving, accreting matter from their surroundings and merging with other black holes to form larger, more massive objects. These mergers release immense amounts of energy in the form of gravitational waves, ripples in the fabric of spacetime that propagate through the cosmos. The detection of gravitational waves by instruments like the Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory LIGO has opened up new avenues for studying black holes and other astrophysical phenomena. By observing the telltale signatures of these cosmic collisions, scientists can glean valuable information about the properties of black holes, their formation mechanisms, and their role in shaping the universe. In addition to their astrophysical significance, black holes also hold profound implications for our understanding of fundamental physics. The study of black hole thermodynamics, for example, has revealed striking parallels between the behavior of black holes and the laws of thermodynamics, suggesting a deep connection between gravity and thermodynamic processes. This has led to the development of novel theoretical frameworks, such as the holographic principle, which posits that the information content of a black hole is encoded on its event horizon. Another intriguing aspect of black holes is their potential role in the cosmic censorship conjecture, which posits that all singularities in the universe are hidden behind event horizons, shielding them from view. If true, this conjecture would have profound implications for our understanding of the fundamental laws of physics, suggesting that singularities may be a ubiquitous feature of the cosmos, hidden from direct observation by the cosmic censorship mechanism. Despite their mysterious and often counterintuitive properties, black holes continue to captivate the imagination of scientists and the public alike. Their extreme nature challenges our most deeply held assumptions about the nature of space, time, and matter, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. In recent years, advances in observational astronomy and theoretical physics have shed new light on the nature of black holes and their role in the cosmos. The development of powerful telescopes and instruments, such as the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, and the JWST, has enabled scientists to probe the inner workings of black holes with unprecedented precision, revealing new insights into their formation, evolution, and behavior. The EHT, for example, made headlines in 2019 with the first-ever image of a black hole's event horizon, providing direct observational evidence of these elusive cosmic objects. By combining data from radio telescopes around the world, the EHT captured an image of the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87, offering a tantalizing glimpse into the heart of darkness. Meanwhile, the JWST promises to revolutionize our understanding of black holes and other cosmic phenomena with its advanced capabilities for infrared astronomy. Scheduled for launch in 2021, the JWST will peer deep into the cosmos, revealing the hidden secrets of the early universe and shedding light on the formation of galaxies, stars, and planets. With its unprecedented sensitivity and resolution, the JWST will allow scientists to study black holes across cosmic history, from the first seed black holes that formed in the infant universe to the supermassive behemoths that lurk at the centers of galaxies today. By observing the faint glow of ancient galaxies and the subtle distortions of spacetime caused by black holes, the JWST will provide invaluable data for testing and refining our theoretical models of black hole formation and evolution. In addition to its observational capabilities, the JWST will also serve as a testbed for new theories of gravity and spacetime. By studying the behavior of light and matter in the extreme gravitational fields near black holes, scientists can probe the limits of general relativity and explore alternative theories of gravity that may better describe the universe on cosmic scales. In conclusion, the study of black holes represents one of the most exciting frontiers in modern science. From their mysterious origins to their profound implications for our understanding of the cosmos, black holes continue to fascinate and inspire researchers around the world. With the advent of new observational technologies and theoretical frameworks, we are poised to unlock even greater insights into these enigmatic cosmic objects and the fundamental nature of the universe itself.